In this video, we're going to be talking about the new application from Instagram called Threads, and I'm going to show you how to get followers fast. Now, there are a few ways you could do this. Now, the generic way in which you could do this is by obviously sharing your profile, and I'm actually too lazy to be doing this. But what you could do is to click on share profile. Now it will generate a link for you. Now, what you could do with that link, you could copy it, right? And then once you've copied the link, you could go ahead, open your Instagram, paste that link on your story. Or you could actually post the link on your WhatsApp status. Now, this will indicate to persons who you are close with to follow your account, right? So, typically, persons who surround you, who are in your circle, would be tempted to follow your account to see what you have going on for you or just to support you. So that's one way to get followers by sharing it to your close and direct contacts. Now, the second way to get followers on Thread is by following a bunch of accounts. Now, once you follow an account on Thread, it will basically show you that someone followed you, right? So if I follow an account here, it will indicate to that person that I followed them. Now, if you do this enough, then you would typically receive followers in return. And I'm not saying that you should go ahead and unfollow the persons who followed you back, but what you could do is to unfollow persons who don't follow you, right? So it is fair game. You shouldn't be following anyone who does not follow you anyway. It's a even application. You could say that no one is better than you and just live by that logic, right? So those are two ways. Share it with your inner circle and follow a lot of accounts, and then you will definitely get followers in return. You could also go to Facebook and search for groups which persons are willing to do the same. They are following you and you would follow them back. So it is pretty simple. It is not a tedious process, but I am a busy man. I don't really have the time to be doing it. But you can give it a try. And you could also create a TikTok on this as well. You could create a TikTok and post your thread there so persons can just navigate from TikTok. And as you know, TikTok is like the brain dead app, which you could just go viral on in a matter of minutes by just posting nonsense. So just give it a try. Share it in your inner circle, follow persons or share it in groups on Facebook, or even creating a video on TikTok and adding your threads profile there. So, those are basically a few ways in which you can get followers on threads in 2023. So, you heard it here first. So, thank you for watching. Hacker 7 out.